Welcome back to Courtroom Authority. Today's case is about Jasmine Arrington, Christine, and from the very beginning, you can already sense the tension. The judge is about to read felony charges while her attorney steps in to manage damage control. But here's where it gets really interesting. Jasmine claims she's turning her life around. She's been approved for sober living, she's attending parenting classes, and she's trying to prove she deserves another chance. But will the court actually believe her story? Stick with us, because in just a few minutes, you'll see the judge struggle to balance second chances with strict accountability. Who do you think should decide, her past mistakes or her current progress?
Just wait for your attorney's audio to come up. All right, there it is. And in jail, your name, please.
Jasmine Arrington.
Okay. Ms. Arrington, this is a felony file 250873FY. I'm going to read it to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Carrie Dibble appearing on behalf of the defendant, Ms. Arrington, for the purposes of arraignment. We did review the felony complaint in this matter. We would waive a formal reading of that, ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, and have this set for probable cause conference and preliminary examination. I did screen her for court-appointed counsel. She did qualify, and that form has been submitted to the court. As it relates to bond, we would ask the court to consider a PR bond in this case. Ms. Arrington informed me that she has been approved and is working on her sobriety. So she's been approved for Recovery Road on Union Street in Grand Rapids. They are still holding that bed for her. She was just released from Kent County and was supposed to go there today, but needed to deal with this matter first. It's a sober living program. She's also been participating in parenting classes and working really hard to get her life under control. She's got support from her brother and her sister, and she assures me that her sister will provide transportation for her for court.
Ma'am, are you on probation in Grand Rapids?
No, I am not. I am participating in the sober living unit for Kent County, and then I'm going to Recovery Road, which is a sober living house in Kent County. And,
okay, but what I mean is this court ordered, or is this something you're doing on your own?
It's a part of my sentence, but I'm held. I don't get my kid back unless I finish it. But it's not. It's not like I was sentenced to it. I don't know how to explain that.
I understand what you're saying. It's just I find it hard to understand why they'd sentence you to something, but if you're not on probation, how do they know you do it? What can they do to you if you don't go, if you're not on probation?
I was released early from Kent County for this. So my original out date for Kent County was June 25th. And if I don't abide by sober living or not sober living, Recovery Road rules, and they drug test you randomly. There's breathalyzers every time you come back to the house. When did you go into Kent County? The second, I was arrested here in Allegan on the 2nd of March, and I was transferred to Kent County on the 3rd, and I've been there since.
All right. I will change this to PR then, mostly because you're sort of answering all the questions the right way. It didn't make a lot of sense to me how you picked up something in March and they're still going to give you this deal, but you've been sitting for, 2 months almost. I'm going to give you this as a PR bond. That's no drugs, no alcohol, no marijuana. Don't make us look bad, right? Okay.
Thank you.
You already have next court dates. You have probable cause conference on May 22nd. You have preliminary hearing on May 27th. That's how courtroom B in front of Judge Belargin. Make sure you stay in contact with your attorney in case those dates have to be moved. But if this is the only matter you have, you should get processed out later this afternoon.
I appreciate it.
And there it is, a PR bond granted, but not without serious warnings. No drugs, no alcohol, no marijuana, and absolutely no mistakes. The judge is clearly skeptical, but willing to give Jasmine one last shot at proving herself. If she fails, the consequences could be devastating, not just legally, but personally, including the fight to get her child back. This is one of those rare moments where the courtroom shows both mercy and tough love. What do you think? Was the judge too lenient, or was this the right balance of justice and compassion? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this case as gripping as we did, don't forget to hit like, share this video, and subscribe to Courtroom Authority for more intense breakdowns of real courtroom drama.